Hi, welcome everyone to Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make sugar paste. This is very basic item in the paste kitchen. We can make fruit tart, we can make even crumble. So we will do. These are the main ingredients: all-purpose flour, icing sugar, unsalted butter, full egg, and vanilla essence. All the ingredients we are going to mix together. So for this, we are going to use the paddle. So all the ingredients in the machine bowl, we are going to mix now. 5 minutes we will mix until it become a paste. You can see my sugar paste mixing already finished now. It's not sticking in your hand. You can see you can easy to handle. So 1 hour you will keep in the chiller. It will be get shape. So easy to you can make shape. So you can use for whatever after it gets shape in the chiller. So I'm going to divide my sugar paste. We will wrap with cling film and we will keep in chiller. This is the way we are using in restaurant, but you can use even your home. You can make a small recipe. You don't need cling film. You can cover with anything, maybe baking paper. So try at your home. So I will keep now 1 hour for rest. After we will see our fruit tart. Already finished 1 hour. So my sugar is ready. You can see how. So we are going to sheet now. We will see. This is the way you cut the sugar paste. So now, like this, make shape by that. But now remaining, we make a bit for them. So all in balance. So we are going to bake now. (170°C), 12 minutes. We are going to bake. So now our tart is ready. See, so we are going to keep cool down. After cool down, we will make the fruit tart with paste. So my tart is already up. So we are going to make fruit tart.